Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be manufacturing my own first part, my own CNC manufactured part. So I'm going to go ahead and design this on easel. If you guys don't know about easel, it's through the Inventables website. So it's pretty much for beginners, and I'm going to show you guys, how easy it is to pretty much make it. Even though it's on fast forward, I mean, you can slow it down, but if you're interested in making your own products or designer parts, you could use easel. Check that out. I actually have other softwares, but for today I'm using this just because, well, I don't want to have to deal with all the conversions, and yeah, so easel is my choice software today. So let's see what I come up with. Alright, so I finally finished with my plasma torch holder, or machine torch holder. That thing is on there solid. Yeah, this thing is made out of 1/2-inch aluminum. It's an 80 millimeter torch holder, and then it's 20 millimeters on the back that hooks up to the Z-axis. Now they do make these for this machine, but it's like all out of stock here in the States, so by the time it comes from China, especially with all the COVID, it's just going to take too long for it to get here, so, or if it even gets here. So I decided to make my own, and well, came out pretty nice. So that's my first actual manufactured part, so I like it. I did use easel for the software. Next time I probably will use Fusion 360, just because the easel is a little bit harder than Fusion 360. So I like it. Came out pretty nice. It is M6 bolts that hold everything down together, or clamp everything together. But anyways, I want to go ahead and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one.